What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with another Loc'd tutorial for you guys. And in today's tutorial, we will be doing petal buns, and we will be adding some jewels to those petal buns. So we are getting fancy today. So let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna start off by adding some leave-in conditioner and some oil to my scalp and locks. As always, I'm using Fortified Naturals leave-in conditioner, and I like to mix that with Jamaican mango and lime island oil. It's my go-to. I use it literally in all of my tutorials. You can check my previous videos to see for yourself, and of course I will have it listed in the description box if you are interested in trying it. But I'm going to take my soft bristle brush and begin to work that product into my hair and scalp. I hope you guys are brushing your locks, because I don't know how many times I have to tell y'all to brush your locks now, because you are seriously missing out on some of the benefits of brushing your locks. But we'll talk about that in another video, or you could check out my lock care routine. The choice is yours, but what we are going to do now is start this style. So I'm gonna start off with the first bun. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but we're only doing 2 petal buns today, and so obviously this is the first one. So I'm just going to begin gathering locks and just pull it up into a ponytail. Now I am going to feel the weight. Maybe weight is not the correct word, but I just want to make sure that they are even. That way one puff isn't bigger than the other. So I'm just trying to make sure that I have the same amount of locks in each ponytail. And once I determine I do, I'm going to secure one side with a rubber band. I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Can't stop the things I do. Once I have my locks securely in a ponytail, I am just going to take my soft bristle brush some of those flyaways, kind of smooth it out a little bit, and just prepare the other side for the ponytail. But for now, we're just going to move it out of our way and begin the petal buns. So this is the fun part. So you want to start off by taking 2 locks and just pinching them into a loop, like the little bunny ears when you're tying your shoe. And I'm just going to grab a rubber band and secure the first set of petals. So the trick to petal buns is to start from the middle and then kind of work your way outwards. Alright, so it's time to add some jewels to the mix, and I have some jewels here from some of my favorite brands. I will have all of their information listed below. They're Black owned, they're talented, all of these jewels are custom made. They can make anything that you like. Check them out. But anyway, we're just going to add that jewel to my lock, and I'm just going to create that bunny ear and grab a rubber band and secure that petal with that rubber band. Okay, simple. So yes, we're just going to keep adding jewels and creating our petals. Like I stated before, you want to start in the middle of the ponytail and work your way outward. Don't be afraid to play around with the locks. Think of a lotus flower. That's kind of the shape that you want to go for when you are creating your petal bun. I honestly think I may have to do another petal bun tutorial, but slow it down a lot. That way I can show you each step, because it really is a process. And I honestly don't think I did a good job capturing those steps in this tutorial, so I will be doing them again. Let me know if you guys want to see it. But anyway, I'm just going to continue to add some jewels and create those petals. Again, using the same technique of just looping it around my finger and securing it with a rubber band. I will never ever love you. I will never ever care about you. I will never ever love you. I will never ever want you like she does. I will only make you lose your trust. So you all, this is all the footage that I got of me creating this petal bun before I start recording. So I do apologize, and I do owe you guys a more in-depth tutorial. But this is how it turned out once I was done. I like it so far, so good. But what we're going to do now is just add some more flair. So I'm just going to take some mousse and I'm going to take my yellow perm rods and begin to curl my locks. But quick little fun fact about this long lock right here. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you haven't seen the little lock tribute that I did for my husband when I took 2 of his old locks and added them to mine. And so this lock that you see is half babe, half mine. It's a whole video on Instagram. Check it out. But once I'm done adding these perm rods, I am going to allow them to sit overnight and prepare myself for the morning. Really quickly, I want to show you guys the back. I should have added that lock to the other side, but it is what it is now. But I am done for today, and this is the next morning. And so now we're going to focus on these edges. Now, you guys know I am still recovering from a bald spot that I didn't scratch in my own head. And so we're going to care for these edges, okay? Tender love and care. I'm going to take a little bit of my edge control and my soft bristle brush, and I'm going to gently begin to brush my edges and around my space bun. Then I'm going to take my little soft bristle brush, and you just want to begin swooping them edges, okay? Just want to swoop, all right? And you could tell by the hair in my little bald spot that it is starting to grow back. The hair is starting to get longer. I just can't wait until it gets long enough so I can add it back into the lock. But that's neither here or there. We're going to continue to swoop them edges. And once we're done with that, we're going to remove these perm rods because it has been 24 hours and they are completely dry. And look at them curls. Yes. Magnificent. Okay. Perfecto. Oh, yes. Like, honey, this is the look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you guys would like to see a more in-depth petal bun tutorial, because I would love to redo that for you guys. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye-bye.
You can't get me out your fucking head. Why you laying next to her in bed? Is it true?